my God, girl, you look so good. I swear. Oh my God.
Thank you.
They're not ready.
You look stunning.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
What? What's that? What?
No. What's wrong?
What?
No.
Let's see. What are you doing here? Are you sick? Why are you here? What is going on?
He left me. Tola left me. He left me on my wedding day. What did I do to him? What did I do to him? What did I do to him?
Can you calm down? Calm down.
What did I do to him?
Calm down. Calm down. Okay? Hey. Hey! Don't do this! Let's see. Can you... Let's see, stop this. Stop this.
What did I do to Tola?
Calm down.
Why would he do this to me?
I said you should
What
calm
did
down.
I do to him?
No. Hey, Daisy, don't do this. Hold on.
Just let
Stop,
me. I want to drink your with my sorrows. Okay,
no.
so let me be.
No, stop it. Okay, stop.
Let me drink your with my sorrows. Okay, so let me be.
No.
Let me be.
I said no. Barrister, is this some kind of joke or something? Mother.
Your father told me about this, but I didn't know he would go through with it.
Oh my God. And you never mentioned that to me, Mother?
You see, David, everything you are saying in that will was your father's last wish. And he wanted it to be followed to the latter. Just like the will states, if you are not married within 6 months, you will lose everything to charity.
No way. Barrister said no way. This is not possible. This must be a joke, right?
I am afraid it is not.
Barrister, please continue.
There are more interesting areas of the will I will advise you to read. Read down, David. Because the will did not only say that you shall get married, but it says that you must remain married. For every single passing year that you remain married, you will inherit 10% of your father's wealth. Simply put, it will take you 10 years to inherit everything.
Mother, what is going on? Can you talk to me? What is going on here? Can you talk to me? What is going on?
I don't know. Maybe a precaution to dissuade you from your bachelor ways.
And you're supporting that?
You think I have a choice in this? I don't. You're 35, David. You're not getting any younger. I think your father did what he thought was right.
Mother, marriage is a decision one cannot take just in a day.
You had all the time to take this same decision, but you failed. This was why your father kept hammering on the fact that you are ripe enough for marriage. You refused. I guess the man did what he did just to draw your attention.
No way. No way. This is not going to happen. This is not possible. What if I say no? What if I do not want it? What if I...
David, this is no joke. These were your father's last wish. And I'm here legally to implement it to the letter. Yes. Madam, I think I will have to take my leave now.
All right, barrister.
And David, I am expecting to be invited to your wedding soon.
So, Mom, how do we get out of this?
Are you getting married, of course?
To whom?
You have all the ladies flocking around you. So pick one.
I don't even like them to date them officially. Talk more of getting married to them.
Dave, at this age, you still date for frivolities.
Mom, I'm still waiting for the right one. I am yet to find one.
Well, you have 6 months to find the one. Me, I'm going. I'll see you soon. Wait a minute. Aha! What about Mazemeka's daughter, Daisy?
Your friend's daughter?
Yes, Sonia's daughter. She just returned from overseas 3 months ago. I like her. She's a nice girl.
I don't like her. Yeah, I do not like her. She's rude and arrogant. Worst of it all, she's a hopeless feminist. So I do not like her. She's annoying. Mom, that girl is something else. She was so rude to me the first time we met. Just because I bumped into her and she flared up. I don't like her.
Just one encounter with her, and you ruled her off. As far as I'm concerned, Daisy is quite a nice girl.
But it wasn't just one encounter with her. Have you forgotten her father is a shareholder in the company? And she visits once in a while? Also remember her mother brought her here to greet you after our encounter with her in the company. Have you forgotten that?
From what I can remember, it was all your fault.
Nice to see you.
Auntie. You're welcome.
Wow, darling, I'm so glad you came.
Thank you very much.
My baby girl, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. Good day.
I brought her to come and meet you specially and greet you personally.
I understand. My baby girl.
Good day, ma.
Good day, welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, she's lovely. Oh, my son David. David.
Mom?
Sonia's daughter, Daisy.
Oh, we've met, Mom.
Really?
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, David.
Yes, we have met.
Really?
Are you guys not going to hug? Or are you shy that we are around here?
Oh,
it's
even a
not,
handshake.
it's not necessary. We're going
I'm sorry, I need to take this call now.
Oh,
Yeah.
David, but
Mother, please. I'll be back. Auntie, I'm coming. Sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute.
that's all right. Come. Oh, Sonia, lovely. Sit here. My baby girl, come. Sit here.
why are you guys hell-bent on ruining the great plans we have for you?
Can you stop trying to matchmake us? It won't work.
Matchmake.
Oh.
I don't have that idea at all.
Yeah.
Just brought you to come and meet my friend. That's all.
That's all. Is she beautiful?
Yes, she is beautiful.
Look at her looking like me already.
Yes. And speaking of that, you guys look like mother and daughter-in-law already.
So, Mom, what's next?
You were the one with an attitude the day they came to our house.
Oh, yes. Because she has shown me her true colors.
Daisy is a good girl, I insist.
She's everything I do not want in a woman, Mom.
I bet you don't even know what you want in a woman. Because if you do, you will have a woman by your corner by now. Right now, you are in deep soup. And there is no woman for you to marry soon. How is that working for you?
Mom, Daisy is not an option. Oh, yes. You guys should stop trying to matchmake us. I do not want her. Stop, please.
Listen to your mother. Marrying Daisy will strengthen our hold on that company. Our shares combined will make us have over 60% of that company. Yeah.
It's so sad that Dad did not consider that before he wrote me out of the will.
Listen, son. Your dad did not write you out of the will. You're old enough to have a wife and children, but you don't. So I think the old man feels that that's the only way to make you reason, make you settle down and have a wife of your own.
And how do I achieve that now? Where am I going to get a wife in this short notice, Mom? Answer me.
We have Daisy.
No, please, stop it. I don't like it. Stop it. Daisy is out of this. I do not want her. I don't want her, Mother. Can't you hear me? I don't want her.
Like you have many options, right? No, tell me.
I don't.
Listen, son. You don't have to write Daisy off just because of a couple of misunderstandings. She's a nice girl. Believe me, she is.
I don't want her. I don't need her.
All right, so I've said my bits. Won't kill myself. I'm leaving. That's it.
Hey!
What is this, Mr. Atu? What is this?
What is worth?
You took a large chunk of money from the company's account.
The purpose of the money is stated in the account. Didn't you see it?
And I'm sure the shareholders did not approve of this investment.
And how will I succeed with that without their approval?
You had a meeting behind my back.
Yeah. Reason given that we are too averse to growth. You're scared of making investments.
Careful, you mean. I make logical decisions for the growth of this company, unlike some people.
What is this about?
Well, it seems to me that you have forgotten that I am the second largest shareholder in this company.
Not while your father is still alive, Miss Onwoka.
You went through my father?
It was easier that way. Besides, did you check with the account to know what this will bring to the company?
Will. It is always a will. What if this money isn't made?
Trust me, it's a legitimate investment, Miss Onwoka.
Well, I feel like you are abusing your position as the largest shareholder in this company. How dare you sideline me? I'm going to make sure my grievances are addressed in the upcoming shareholders meeting.
Mother, what was so urgent that you have to come immediately?
Did you hear that Daisy is getting married?
No? Is that why you walked up?
You had just one job. Woo her. Must I do everything for you?
Mother, I'm not interested in Daisy. I'm happy she's getting married.
Oh, spare me. Her parents are not in support of the marriage. But you know Daisy is very opinionated. She doesn't listen to anyone. That's why her parents are allowing her to do what she wants.
Oh, really? And she's the woman you would want your son to get married to? Someone who does not listen to anyone?
That's not what I mean.
Mother, can we change this topic? Because I'm done. I do not want her. I'm not interested in her. So let's talk about other things, please.
Say that. Despite her traits, some bad traits, Daisy is a decent young woman from a very responsible home. You see, can get her from that man. In fact, let me tell you the truth. You have my consent and that of her mother to take her back.
Mother, I'm not interested. I am not ready to fight a man because of a woman. I can't do it. I am getting married in no distant time to a woman that will listen to me, that will be so humble and responsible. I don't want to put up with someone that will fight me in no distant time after getting married. Or do you want me to get married to her because she's your friend's daughter?
She's my friend's daughter, but that notwithstanding, she's a nice girl. I know the family in and out. That's not just the reason. I personally believe that if you get married to Daisy, that would be the best decision you ever made. You're here complaining about Daisy, that she doesn't listen to anyone. Do you listen to anybody? Both of you are strong-headed.
Mother, I do listen to you. I'm an obedient and responsible son of yours, and you know it. What I'm saying, Mother, is that you are not the one that will live with her. I will be the one that will live with her if I get married to her, and I do not want such a woman as my wife. Don't you get it?
Don't just run into this conclusion. Be nice to Daisy, and you get the best part of her. You never can tell.
It's not possible. It's not workable. It's not working. I am not interested. It will not happen. Let's forget about this. Mom, please.
Okay, now listen to me. Let me tell you the truth. You are in a dire situation. All this gra-gra will not save you. Calm down. Smile more often at ladies. Be nicer to them. Especially ladies like they say. Be nice to them. What do you want from me? I'm done talking too. I've said my own because...
Do we still have other things to talk about?
I don't have anything to talk about.
Oh.
Stay here and tell me what you feel. Tell me what you are going to do. I did not come here to waste my time.
Mom said be nice.
I can get my own seat.
I was only trying to be nice.
Why? Because you think women are too weak and can't do things themselves, like get our own seat or open our own doors?
My God. I should have just let things be and left Madam Feminist alone.
I am a self-sufficient woman. I do not need your help.
Self-sufficient. But you're about to get married.
What does that have to do with anything?
I thought you feminists are averse to marriage.
Remind me what school you attended again, because how do you not know that feminism have nothing to do with marriage? Or maybe you need me to school you.
I understand that you feminists do not believe in submitting to a man.
Submission. Why should the submission come from women alone? Why can't the other party submit as well? Matter of fact, why should there be submission, any kind of submission in the first place?
There you go again. See what I'm talking about?
I don't see anything. You know, you men are really, really lucky. You have women to do almost everything. Give birth, take care of the home, contribute to the family, work. But you're just here doing your thing. Wow. It's so nice to be a man.
You're more angry than you seem a feminist.
What is that supposed to mean? You know, the other time you sounded very demeaning to me. What is wrong with you?
You're always angry. You know, right?
That is because you trigger me. You know, right?
You always have a comeback. Right.
Hey. Oh.
Hi, girl.
Dear.
Why do you look like you've been through hell and back?
I have. Oh.
What
I
happened?
have been through hell and back. Today has been hectic. It's been crazy. And that guy saw me stranded and he didn't help.
You mean David?
Who else? David, of course. He saw that I needed help and he just drove past like that without doing anything.
Why? Did you guys have some kind of disagreement today?
Not really. He was being overly nice to me this morning and I wasn't having it, so I shut him down immediately.
What? You have a problem with somebody being nice to you?
Okay, we are talking about David here. The same David I've been complaining about. He just wants to get in my pants, that's it. And he thinks I'm one of those ladies he can frolic around with and when he's tired he can dump.
Daisy, what exactly did he do?
He pulled out a chair for me today at the boardroom.
And that's the problem.
Yes, that's a big problem. This guy is a womanizer. And I don't want to be around a fuck boy. That's it.
Daisy, next time when he's being nice to you, you say thank you and move on.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you. And from thank you, he'll want to get clothes and he'll want me in his bed, and you know what will happen? No. Make him day in day. Make me a day my day. I beg. Beg. Enough of this guy. I don't even know whose side are you on in this matter.
I'm on the side of the truth now.
Please, what did you cook? I'm hungry.
Cook. You think if I cooked, I'll be here having ice cream?
Oh God, how do I know you? What use are you in this house now?
This one. You should be thanking God I'm here to clear you of your boredom. Who would you be complaining about David to now?
So I'm going to enter the kitchen now.
Oh, you're so sweet. Let's go.
See, at least let me have this one. You join me in the kitchen. Beg.
This feels so good.
Yeah.
I could do this forever.
You could do this forever?
Yeah, baby. Yes.
Well, let's get married then.
Married? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm ready. Do you want to marry me?
Have you gone nuts? Are you alright? I barely know you.
Yeah, but you've known me for 3 months now, and we can do this.
That doesn't mean I want to marry you. Come on. Besides, I'm 20 and I still have my whole life ahead of me.
You're 20 years? I don't get it. I thought you told me that you're 25 years.
That doesn't count.
So you lied to me about your age?
Look, this shouldn't be the question. The question is, are you this weird? Going up to somebody you barely know and asking them to marry you. Like, guy, what the hell is wrong with you?
I have known you for 3 months now, and
That isn't enough.
I see. Well, I thought I think
We are nothing, David. Look, can you hear yourself? You sound so desperate, like you marry anybody. Come to think of it, do you have a time frame to get married or something?
Something like that.
Well, try your luck somewhere else, because I'm not interested. Do you think I was going to jump up to your offer just because of the little 100k you give me every time we meet?
No. I'm sorry about that. I didn't think anything. I'm sorry.
Well, keep your sorry to yourself. This relationship has always been a transactional relationship and it ends today. Yes.
I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm so sorry.
Keep your sorry to yourself. Don't think of even calling my phone again. And transfer my money for me immediately.
Guy, your dad did you dirty.
I swear, bro. I've been looking for someone to settle with for 3 months now.
What are you looking for? What about that girl you've been shagging? Just marry her.
Well, all we have been doing is a kind of transactional relationship.
You are doing transactional relationship when you need to get married.
I told her I would want to get married to her, but she kicked against it.
Why?
I don't know. She's even 20.
20?
Yeah,
She doesn't look it.
you've seen it now.
That's going to be a problem because you're looking for a wife in this economy. It's very difficult.
I'm confused, bro. I'm really confused. I've gone to my exes. None of them want me back.
Don't even think about your exes. You don't have a good record being a boyfriend. Have you checked your portfolio? Remember what you did to Nike?
Hey, this is not funny, bro.
I'm just saying the truth. I'm just saying the truth.
Ah.
I noticed the way you looked at her. Do you know her from anywhere?
Yeah. That's my mother's friend daughter.
You mean the Daisy? The one you've been whining about and...
Yeah. But don't say it like that.
Hey, I'm just saying the truth. She's fine.
Yeah. She's beautiful. But she has attitude issues.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I can't say I don't know her. I don't know, I've not met her.
Yeah, because you don't visit the office.
But she's fine. Well, we're gonna have to figure out something to do very fast. Very fast.
I'm working on it. You know, it's not easy for me. So like I was saying, I'm trying my best to get someone on Facebook.
Okay, now you're desperate. It's obvious.
No, but you can get someone online. You know that, right?
You can, but when you start looking for someone... It means that you're really desperate.
Check out this one.
No way. Hey, that girl's fine.
I'll write her.
Send a message.
I'll write her.
Send a message.
Thank you. Thank you. Of course. So here we go. But still, I might bag one tonight.
You better not. He's not worth it. He's a womanizer.
You know him.
That's David. The one my mom has been trying to make me with.
No way.
Yes, wait. Which of them? The one on blue.
Yo, he's a fine guy. I mean, your mom has good taste.
You call that taste? But don't forget he's arrogant.
Anyways, I'm single and ready to mingle, so you're getting married anyway, so.
Okay,
I mean,
you better not try anything stupid. I'm telling you. Don't I didn't warn you.
When I'm in the right mood, do not stop me.
You're single now. Look at you. There's nothing to look at.
Really? Okay, well.
Look at that guy.
I'm going there.
Okay, you're not going.
I am going there.
Okay, no. Hi.
Hi, handsome.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine. I've been watching you from over there.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yeah, you're a very fine guy.
Are you drunk?
No, I'm not drunk. I'm just tipsy.
Oh, I see. Let's go. Well, that's my friend Shola.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you're such a fine man.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Now we go. You should know better, okay?
I don't get it. What's that? Hey,
What is wrong with you? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I don't get it. She said she's safe with me.
I'm safe. Do you look safe with him?
Yes.
You don't look safe. And you? I thought you'd be more responsible than your friend.
I'm just here having a drink.
Are you calling me irresponsible? Eh? I will not take this. I will not take this from her. What is your problem? Did you see that? Did you see what I just told you?
Okay, I can see why you say she has anger issues. That girl's fire.
How can you say no to a project you haven't even tried? Huh? Listen. Rome wasn't built in a day. I am very sure that if we are patient with Kata to You project, it will yield fruits. I am very sure.
Then let's wait for it to yield fruits before we proceed. We cannot continue to hop from one project to another. That's a waste of company's fund.
I beg to differ.
Well then, I believe a vote will settle this once and for all. All in favor for the new project, kindly indicate by raising your hands. And if you're against the project, please indicate by raising your hand. Well then, if that's the case, I believe we are done. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Excuse me? What is your problem with me?
David, I do not have a problem with you. I have a problem with your policies.
Oh, I see. And what gave you the guts and the effrontery to stand against my decision at any given time? I am the biggest shareholder in this company and you know it.
And I am the second largest shareholder in this company and you know it. I will not sit back and watch you waste company's fund.
They see. Well, stay out of my way. Do not make this what is not.
Is this a threat, Mr. David?
I am warning you. I am warning you. Be careful with me in this company. Hi. Oh, you're the one.
Yes.
My secretary told me that I had a visitor who refused to say her name. I didn't know you were the one.
Tada. So, I came to see if we can pick up from where we left the other day.
Oh, great.
Mm-hmm.
Is that all you're here for?
I mean, I came to see Daisy, but then I decided to pop in.
Ah,
Mm-hmm.
that's so thoughtful of you. And I was wondering if I did get to see her again.
I had your wishes and I came true.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
So, what about your date?
Sure.
Can we go?
So, my darling, I'll see you. Call me for that date, okay?
All right. All right. Bye.
This one that your face is like this. What is it again?
Okay. You need to stay away from that guy before he hurts you.
Hurt me how? Did I tell you I wanted anything seriously? I just want to collect money. Why are you like this?
Why do women do this to themselves? You know he's not for you, so why are you pushing?
Listen,
Daisy, please. Because you have issues with him, does that mean me, I should have issues with him too?
Oh, I'm sorry. But when he crashes down, do not come running to me. Just I didn't warn you.
This one you are overreacting like this. Did you have another quarrel with him again?
It's just so annoying. Sometimes I just feel like I should just deck him or something.
Ha! Please, oh, don't deck my money bag. Before you deck him, make sure I have collected enough money. See, can you deck somebody? Let's be serious. You said.
What is wrong with that girl?
I'm so pissed. I am so pissed. Not that I was even saying that we'll start up the project immediately. She did not even allow me land.
You know what? Personally, I think this girl actually likes you. And she's just forming this anger to hide her feelings from you. Think about it.
Which feelings are you talking about? Someone that has put herself in my bad book already. We're at war, bro. We're at war.
I think war is very strong. Maybe just try and learn how to ignore her.
I will not ignore her. I will not try it, because if she's in my shoes, she will not ignore me. So I won't try it. I will fight her. I will use everything within my power to frustrate her, including her friend.
Bro, that's low. That's really low, even for you.
I don't care. Watch me, I will do it. I am not going to take her crap lying down anymore. You will see it.
And don't let this girl get under your skin. Oh. She's getting under your skin.
She has already. Trust me.
Who was that? Delivery man. They said it's for one Miss Ogie, which is you. It's from David. I've told you, he wants to get in your pants.
Oh, I mean, David is such a sweet boy. Buying me gifts and all that. Oh.
I'm coming. Okay, what's up?
What?
You invited him over.
He insisted on picking me up.
But I told you I do not want him in my house.
Babe, you need to chill. I don't like how you're acting right now. What was I supposed to do? He insisted I wanted to get me.
I'm sorry, okay? It's just that he triggers me a lot.
Girl, you need to chill and stop allowing him get to you like this. What happened?
You're just lucky you're a fine baby. Yeah, I've seen you. It's okay. Madam, just be going. Go and have fun.
I know.
That's why you're showing your skin.
I
Please
know.
come back in one piece.
I'll try. Hello.
I think you're set, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's go.
He did what?
My dear, he asked me to marry him. I could not believe my ears.
You know, I have always known that guy wasn't alright. But I didn't know he has gotten to this stage.
My dear, he sounded so desperate. I mean, he's actually not okay. You are right.
Just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What's that?
You know his father is dead, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he was rich.
Mm-hmm.
So I overheard my mom talking about some sort of clause that states that David can only inherit his property if he gets married.
Really? Like, how much is his father worth? Estimate.
He was rich, oh. Like rich. He was actually richer than my dad.
Wow. Man, they must be really rich.
Okay.
Wow.
This one you are wowing and I just hope you're not considering this.
No, I'm just curious. I mean, nothing.
Okay. You better be curious.
Babe, your wedding is coming up. When are we going for dress fitting now? And let's leave this David talk.
Sometime next week.
I know. I can't wait to watch you walk down the aisle.
Oh, we are going to have so much fun.
Definitely, I'm killing it. Keep right to it.
You're even more excited than I am.
I am. I mean, I am the chief bridesmaid. Please.
Okay. Oh. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers to
your wedding. Let's forget about David.
Good thing you've gotten your own fair share.
I mean, that's life.
You did what?
Oh, I'm desperate. And she was into me.
But you barely know the girl. You met her like a week or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks enough, Shola.
2 weeks is not enough for that kind of commitment. What is wrong with you?
I don't have time. In 3 months, if I do not get married, everything that my father labored for will go to charity. I and my mother will be left with nothing. I need to put this right.
I understand, but this is not the kind of decision you make in a haste.
Well, I have plans. I'll go to court, get married in court, sign all the legal marriage documentations and all. Then take that which rightfully belongs to me. Maybe everyone will live as their places. It's not a must. We'll live as husband and wife.
For 10 years? The clause says 10 years. That's a long time.
July, you know that even in the Western world, there are several arranged marriages. You know that, right?
I think you're rushing this. You're definitely rushing this. You need to take your time. Think about this. Process it. Take your time and think.
I do not have time to think. I don't have any time to stop and think. Don't you get it?
Even though, you cannot just walk around and ask any young girl to marry you. It doesn't work like that.
My birthright is at stake here, Shola. Don't you get it? If I do not get married, everything that my father labored for will go down the drain. Don't you get it? I cannot sit and watch that happen.
I still think you need to think about this. Slow down and think about it.
Talk to me when you are in my shoes. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit. How did you find me?
You're not very hard to find, Anton.
I see. Why are you here?
I came to say yes.
Yes, too.
The other day, you asked me to marry you, and I came to say yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
And what made you change your mind?
I mean, you're very rich and handsome. What more can I need from a man?
I see.
You don't sound happy. You should be very happy.
I'm happy, just that I'm surprised.
Okay, good. But there's a clause.
Which is?
When we're officially married, I want $10,000 monthly as my allowance.
That's huge sum. $10,000? Are you doing this because of money?
What are you doing this for? Not the money too.
Yeah. Just that the money is too much.
You know what? It's fine. We're going to negotiate about all that. But now let me show you what I'm capable of.
Hold on, please. Can we suspend this? We can do this much later when we get to know each other better.
Why? You're not attracted to me.
Not that, but I feel it's better we get to know each other.
Okay, whatever you say. I'm going.
Okay. Let me see you off.
No, not like that. No, thank you, gift, for coming, for agreeing to this your idea.
I don't get it.
I mean, you should send me like 500k for agreeing to be your wife. It's fine. I sent you my account number. See me off. Okay.
I just called your account number. Let me do it now.
Okay, you know you'd be a good husband.
Okay.
20
20
3 4.
You what?
I agreed to marry him.
Are you mad?
I'm mad about his money.
Oh, no. No, I shouldn't have told you. I knew you were up to something the moment you asked how much he was worth.
Oh, please. I just wanted to cash out a little.
Come on, okay. This guy is looking for a wife.
And who says I want to marry him? Me, I just want to eat his money. What's all this? Why are you overreacting?
No, that's not fair. And you know that.
Do you know he gave me 500k? Because I just agreed to marry him. Calm down.
Well, I don't support this. At all.
Who says I need your support? It's already happening, abeg.
Okay. What about your boyfriend? What will happen with him?
Really? Why would you bring him up? You know we have issues.
Why won't I bring him up? I know you love him. And I also know you cannot marry David.
See, you know what? I'm going to marry David just to piss that nigga off. Yes.
Are you listening to me?
Oh, please. In fact, it's okay. Drop it. See, I have 500k. I mean, I can't hear you.
Okay, I'm serious.
I'm taking you out. Come, let's go. Let's go and dress up.
I'm not in the mood. You cannot do this. Seriously.
I say go and dress up. Bills on me. Go now. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, so I'm not joking. Seriously. You cannot. Where am I even going to? You can't.
Hi, baby. Yeah, so I just walked past a jewelry store and just this necklace I really love. And as your soon-to-be wife, I would love to have it.
Oh, I see. So, how much is it?
It's just $1,000.
Okay. Send me account details. Let me fix it.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. What do you want?
David. The question should be, what do you think you're doing? Asking someone you barely know to marry you just because you want to inherit your father's wealth?
And how is that your business?
It is my business. The person in question is my friend, and I wouldn't want her to be in a loveless marriage.
Your friend is not complaining. She's just milking and depleting my account. So it's a win-win thing.
It is this arrogance of yours that would not let you take my advice. Don't do this, David. Both of you might end up regretting it.
We're done already.
Fine. I just thought I could just talk some sense into you. But you are as hard-headed as they come. Don't say I didn't warn you.
I don't really know what to do now.
In as much as I understand how difficult the decision is, I advise you handle with care. Marriage isn't a decision you make on a whim. You need to take your time, David.
There is no time.
Would you rather be in a loveless marriage for the rest of your life? I mean, don't you see yourself making your own money in the nearest future? The David I know is hardworking, and he can do without his father's money. Too bad you don't know yourself too well then.
You're welcome.
You've not been taking my calls. What's the problem? No.
Maybe because your calls come with bills.
Why are you like this? Listen, I'm a high maintenance lady and I will always need money to take care of myself.
I do not have that 500,000 naira you're demanding. I don't have it. For just 1 month, I have spent almost 3 million naira on you. Do you want to wreck me in marriage? I don't have money, please. I can't.
My husband, calm down. How are you getting worked up because of 500k now?
I am tired already.
Something you can afford.
Please, I am tired already. I'm not cutting for this. I don't want to rush into this. Hold on. One. You're welcome.
Who is this one?
Good evening, ma.
She's Ogechi.
The one you told me about?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how nice.
Welcome, ma.
You may sit, young lady.
Thank you, ma.
So, what's your name?
Ogechi, ma.
How long have you known my son?
About a year?
Great.
Yes, ma.
If you've known him for about a year, that means you know a lot about him. Like his favorite food. No? You look at me. You answer that question with your eyes on me. What about his favorite color?
Blue.
And you said you've known him for almost a year. David's favorite food is porridge beans and plantain. And his favorite color is black. And you, David, you just have to pick anything because of the situation you find yourself, right? You don't know the importance of getting a woman who understands marriage, who is willing to be a wife. My dear son, 10 years is not 10 days. Use your head. And you have a woman in the house, yet you asked me to cook and bring food for you for the weekend.
See, David, I don't like all these kind of things. Why did you not even give me all these details, eh?
I'm so sorry. I never knew this situation would call up. Please, can you leave now?
I should go.
Yes.
Please, anyways, send me the 500k. Send it to me. Bye. Whatever, send me the 500k.
Go, please. Just go.
What is it? What is it? See, I'm not even in the mood. Can you imagine? Do you know he refused to see me? I went to his house and the gateman refused to allow me in. And I went to his office and his secretary did not allow me to see him.
Isn't it for the best?
Babe, how can you say that? I mean, this guy can make my life better.
That's the problem. You're only there for the money.
What else will I be there for? What else?
Okay. Marriage is a lifetime decision. Why aren't you thinking about your future?
I mean, I'd rather cry in a Lamborghini than cry in a Toyota Camry.
And is Toyota Camry not a good car?
Why are you not driving one then?
But seriously, I am very serious right now. You should be thinking about your future. Money is not everything.
Coming from somebody who was born into wealth.
No, I'm just saying.
Okay.
You need to stop. And the guy has just been a shadow of himself recently. I've been noticing how lost in thought he is, and he looks like he's going through a lot.
Did you talk to him?
Nope. Well, I wanted to on some occasions, but I just let him be.
You know, I think it's this situation on ground.
Imagine being scared of losing everything you have. I mean, something that should have been handed to him on a platter. Now he has to struggle for it.
This is what I've told you. Let him find somebody that is for him.
I mean, he has made it clear that he's no longer interested in this so-called marriage.
Oh my goodness. Hallelujah, somebody. I'm glad he has made that decision. And I'm happy you've accepted it too.
Accept. Did I tell you that I have accepted? I am going to accept when he pays me off.
You are a thief. You are a big thief.
I'm joking, but not joking, Sha. But he has to pay me off now.
Oh, God, this girl. You amaze me. You seriously do.
But really though, what's wrong with you?
You go and get a job. Work and take care of yourself.
I beg. So I'll be coming home like you every night. I beg, leave me. I'm not ready to work.
David, you've been ignoring me.
I have to be honest with you. The reason I invited you. This will not work.
But then I told you need to get married in order to inherit your father's wealth.
How did you know about it?
It doesn't matter, just forget about how I knew.
Well, I don't care anymore. Yeah. Marriage is a lifetime thing. I don't want to make mistakes. I don't want to end up with a wrong choice.
You know, I'm sorry I've been so mean to you. You're a good man. And I hope you genuinely find somebody who would love you.
I hope so.
It's fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, I have to go. I need to pick a dress for my friend's wedding.
Daisy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Congratulations to her.
Thank you. It's
You're
okay.
welcome.
I'm gonna be leaving. I'm going.
Welcome, my darling.
Thank you, ma.
Auntie, you're welcome.
How are you doing?
I thought we were supposed to meet at the family house. My dear, if I had scheduled this meeting at the family house, he will not come. That is why I said, let us meet here. Anyway, let's forget about the fact that they can be together. See you around. Thank you very much. This is getting married. Yes. My dear, anything can still happen. Besides, they are not yet married. So something can still happen. Don't talk like that. Are you planning for something I don't know anything about? Nothing like that. How are you? I hope you're fine. Look, I have told my daughter she won't listen. That boy is just after the money. I know. Young people and phones. Impressive. I have come here to especially invite you and your mom to Daisy's wedding.
Oh, really?
I had to drag her to come over.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you, Auntie. I wouldn't have known about it left for some people.
Please. As if you would have come.
Sonia, you see what I'm seeing?
Yes.
They're even smiling at each other.
Yes.
Auntie, Mom, do that. I'm getting married, remember?
Yes. And if you're getting married, does that suggest that you can't even be friends and civil?
Doesn't matter. You will still be friends.
Since we've been here, they've been on their phone, their heads and noses buried in their phone. I don't even understand what they're doing there.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Now, go and get your visitor something to drink now.
Oh, okay. 1 minute, please.
Yes. And you can help him and get the drink.
If I have some small chops in the fridge, can bring it.
I'll pass. I'm good. Thank you.
I make sure I don't see you on that phone. At least, let's be civil. So, that's what I say.
Stop drooling.
Oh, please. You're looking good, though.
I always do.
Oh my god, girl, you look so good. I swear. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Please say bride. Please, bride. You look so good.
Thank you.
Dinner ready.
You look stunning.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Who's testing you? What? What's that? What?
No. I was wrong.
What?
No.
I think
Okay, no.
no, I think there's a mix-up somewhere.
Let's see. What are you doing here? Are you sick? Why are you here? What is going on?
He left me. Tola left me. He left me on my wedding day. What did I do to him? What did I do to him? What did I do to him?
Can you calm down? Calm down.
What did I do to him?
Calm down. Calm down. Okay? Hey. Don't. Hey! Don't do this. Daisy. Can you... Daisy, stop this. Stop this.
What did I do to Tola?
Calm down.
Why would he do this to me?
I said you should
What
calm
did
down.
I do to him?
No. Hey, Daisy, don't do this. Hold on.
Just let
Stop,
me. I want to
stop,
drink away my
stop,
sorrows.
stop,
Okay,
no.
so let me be.
No, stop it. Okay,
Just
stop.
let me drink away my sorrows. Okay,
No.
so let me be.
No.
Let me be.
I said no. No.
What is it? What is it?
I can't believe you came to the bar with your wedding dress.
What would you have me do? How do I look? Do I look like a gorgeous bride?
Well, it looks super beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's true. I'm a bride without a groom. You can be my groom. Yes. Why don't we get married?
We should get married?
Yes, we should get married. Everyone, we're getting married. Hi. Husband. Hi. Husband. We getting married.
Cheers to this.
Cheers to
The new couple in town.
yes.
Beautiful couple in town.
Oh my Married.
Happy married Happy married life! Congratulations. It's your wedding day. I'm your husband.
I'm your wife.
Your husband. Yeah.
I'm your wife. And you're my husband. You are my husband. Husband. Husband.
Honeymoon activated.
Yes!
So, my wife, tell me what you want and I will do it. Dun, 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 dun,
What am I doing here?
What's going on?
We got
You
married.
got married?
You both called me, okay? And you insisted on getting married. I tried to reason with you when I got there, but I realized that both of you were too drunk to talk to. You were adamant and stubborn and just wanted to get married. So I called both of you's mom to see if they could reason with you, but when they got there, they proceeded to get both of you married.
This has got to be a joke. This is a joke, right?
I'm sorry, Daisy, it's not. This is your reality.
No, this is not possible. How is it possible? How is it possible?
Well, your mom made a few calls, and before I could say anything, we're in front of the court and you both made your vows.
How? We did not even book an appointment with the court. How did it happen?
Well, your moms are very powerful. They have the money to make anything happen in this country.
Are you allow that happen? Shola? You know my stand on this matter. Why did you allow that happen?
Have you met your mom? Even you, David, you can't stop your mom from doing what she wants to do.
We were drunk. You would have stopped them. I don't like this.
So this is your plan? No, this is your plan. You want to marry me, right? You cannot tell me you are not aware of this. Oh no, it won't work. I'm getting an annulment. Get out of my way, get out.
Bro, why did you allow that happen?
I had no... There was no way I could do anything.
When I called your mother and she told me you were in your husband's house, I was very surprised because I know that the wedding did not hold. I did not know she meant David.
She and his mother got us married while we were drunk.
Why would they do that?
They've been trying to match me cause from the get-go.
I know, but I did not think it was this serious now.
I can't believe it. I seriously cannot believe it.
I don't know. What do we do? Maybe you should get an annulment or something. I don't know.
He refused. And my mom threatens to disown me.
I mean, of course he would refuse. This whole situation, it favors him.
I really don't know what to do. Honestly, I've been trying to think of something, but all that comes to my mind is an annulment.
You know, I'm really sorry about Tola and the embarrassment he caused you and your family. Who would have thought Tola would act this way?
I cannot believe that bastard has a wife and a kid in the US.
I was shocked when I heard the rumor. And that she came to the hotel that morning and from there it was a disaster.
That was what happened. My father even wanted to take him in with the SS, but I told him to let him go. He's not worth it. Good riddance to bad rubbish. I just cannot believe that I've been such a fool.
My dear.
I was so blinded and carried away. I did not even stop to think. And look at where it has landed me.
No, see. Daisy, you can't blame yourself. None of us thought Tola was like this. I mean, it's Tola. We thought he was a good man. Who would think he would be like this? Sorry. It's okay. Sorry, my love. Everything is going to be fine. Just calm down.
This now that you're married to David, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think you should give it a try?
Give what a try? The marriage to David? We're talking about David.
I know.
David, the womanizer David. Are you listening to yourself, Ogie? How can I give it a try? A marriage I was not even aware of. I was drunk. Seeing David, I don't know this guy. We don't see eye to eye.
I know. But I feel like if he knows the real you, he's going to be head over eyes. You're a good person. Any man would be lucky to have you. It's fine. Sorry. Did you guys have sex? Just asking. That's a yes.
Huh? Oh. 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 Hold on, I'm coming, please.
You are seriously drinking after the shit that happened. I can't do this right now.
Yes, please. Please don't go. Don't go. Please. Stay with me, please. Please, please, please. Can you stay with me, please? Please, please. Don't leave me. Don't leave me, please. 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 Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Fine.
Okay, easy.
No.
Are you drinking to this night? You have to try and help yourself as well.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm here, sleep as well.
Okay.
No, hold on.
I'm fine. I'm fine, don't worry. I'm fine.
You're not fine.
I'm fine.
You're not, David, please. David, you can't be doing this right now, please.
Huh?
You have to go up a bit, please.
I'm fine.
You're not fine, please. Just go up.
I'm fine. Wifey. Please don't go. Okay? Please.
Hello, son.
What do you want, Mom?
Are you still angry with me, son?
Of course.
Everything I did was for your own good.
We were drunk, Mom.
Can't you see that this whole thing is a miracle? If I didn't step in, you would have lost everything.
They would have let things be.
Why let things be? Until I got that strange call from Shola telling me that you and Daisy were requesting to get married. You know that marriage to Daisy gives us more control over that company. She's not back yet.
No, she isn't.
And you're fine with that?
No? Well, what will I do?
David, she is your wife now. You need to make things work.
Well, I don't know anything else to do.
Go for your wife. Go and bring her home. Sort out whatever differences you both may have. You are the man here. Make the move.
Well, Daisy is stubborn. She will not listen to me.
Try. Be patient. Persuade her. She will listen to you.
She does not even come to the office anymore. So where will I get her to listen to me?
Go to their house. Go and bring your wife back to your house here. I heard you went to the courts today to get annulment papers.
How did you know that?
My darling, I have people everywhere.
Well, I told you. I'm getting an annulment.
What is it with David that you don't want to be with him? See, whatever your decision is, I'll support you.
Mom, he is a womanizer.
Well, I'm not a fan of a man that moves around with too many women. But if David cheats on you, I promise I'll support whatever decision.
I'm not even going to let it get to that. I'm getting an annulment and that's final.
And I won't allow it.
Mommy, please. You've already ruined my life as it is.
Darling, you're already in this. Love can grow if you allow it. You know what? You're already in it. Love can grow if you allow it. Besides, have you thought of what we stand to lose with this your annulment thing you're pursuing?
At the expense of my own happiness?
This is bigger than you, darling. Bigger than you.
Really?
Look, see, merging our company shares will give us more than half of the control of the company. Please, all I'm begging you is, please try. Just try, please.
So this is what it's about. It's all about the money. That's what matters to you and Daddy, money.
No. Your dad and I want the best for you. We're doing this for your future and the future of your unborn kids. Daisy, you're our only child. And we want you set up for good for life. How is that a bad thing?
I can make my own wealth, Mom.
I know you can. You're capable. But isn't it okay if you can just sustain what you have already? You know what they say about a bird in the hand? Look, my dear, I may be sounding too hard, but it has always been our wish that you and David get married. And that's all I'm asking for you to please give it a try. And I promise you, if it doesn't work out, I will get the annulment papers for you. I still love you. You're my daughter. And I will want the best for you. Please give it a try. Please. Please.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for my wife.
I don't see her anywhere.
I'm so sorry how everything happened. But we are married now. We have to find a way to make this work.
I told you, I want an annulment.
Are you sure you really want that? Because you put me to bed that very night.
That didn't mean anything. I just couldn't leave you there.
I know. But it means a lot to me. If you could be there for me when I needed it, it means we can work on our marriage.
David, this isn't a real marriage.
We can make it real. I am sure we can make this work. I do not want us to give up without trying. This might be the best thing to happen to us both. Just give me 6 months. 6 months, and if you still want to leave, then I'll give you an annulment. I want us to make this work. I'm ready to work on myself. I'm putting effort to make my wife stay with me. Please, let's make this work. Okay? Please. What are you doing?
You can't sleep here.
And why? Okay, I'll be at the guest room.
Hey. You cooked?
You didn't tell me you were staying out late.
Oh, I was with Ogie.
And you didn't care to tell me? To let your husband know about it?
Is there a problem?
You're a married woman. If you are to stay out late, your husband should be the first person to know about it.
Can you stop talking to me like I'm some sort of baby? I can do whatever I want to do, David.
You know I can be everything you are and even more. But I'm here trying to work this out. I would appreciate it if you put in some effort.
And I haven't been
Please.
doing that, right? Well, you're the one particular about this working, not me. Good morning.
Where are you headed to?
Where does it look like I'm headed to?
I'm sure you're not going to the office dressed that way, right?
What is wrong with it?
You're a married woman. You shouldn't get to the office dressed that way.
A married woman to you, not to the people outside. You say this, no wedding band. I'm still keeping my options open, David. And this is a beautiful dress. See you at the office, David. Manpower should be diverted to the agrotech project. That way we can conclude with the foundational stage in due time and move over to other things. I've also spoken to the product manager about the next phase. So I think we're good. Mr. David, do you have a contribution? Mr. David?
Yeah, sorry. Come in.
Do you have any contribution?
Not really. I'm fine with I'm fine with what you said.
Okay. Oh, that's all then.
All right. Thank you. Hey.
What's up?
We had a good moment, right?
David, it was just fun.
Really?
I was honey, and you were there.
It was nothing.
Nothing happened between us.
Maybe I help you remember.
Hey, are you going out?
Yeah.
Are you alright?
You said nothing happened between us, right?
Come on, don't get worked up about that. Okay, come here with me.
Well, nothing happened between us. So I figured I should go meet someone that appreciates me so well. Excuse me. All right.
The number you dialed is switched off.
User 0, welcome home.
Where the hell have you been? I've been calling you. Why didn't you take your calls?
Have you been crying? I'm sorry. Okay? I'm so sorry that I scared you.
I'm sorry I said nothing happened between us.
There's the... I'm crazy about you. I can't stop thinking about you. You drive me insane. Everything about you leaves me breathless and wanting for more.
You said you were going to be with someone who appreciates you.
That was Shola, my friend. I was talking about Shola. You are the one I truly want. You are the only one I think about. I'm head over heels in love with you.
Yes, my darling. Look at my bright and beautiful daughter. My daughter.
What are you two doing here?
We came to visit you guys, and she's wearing a shirt. Hey! Hello, my gorgeous son-in-law.
Auntie, you're welcome.
Yes, how are you doing?
It's like they're beginning to like each other.
You can say that again.
You see? If they had listened to us since, by now our grandchildren would be on the way.
All over the place.
Mom, please. Can you stop exaggerating? Please.
It's not exaggerating.
Auntie, we are just taking things slow, please.
Oh, love our soccer. And all this wouldn't have happened if not for your timely intervention, Angela. Okay.
I'm sorry. Is there something you're not telling us?
Nothing. It's just that's also a slip of nothing.
Oh, nothing.
There's nothing actually.
Can you start talking? Mom.
I'm sorry, son. It was desperation that led me to doing what I did.
And what did you do?
I lied about the clause in your father's will.
What?
Your father bequeathed everything to you. There was no clause that you must get married.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
Just calm down, son. Just calm down.
Mother, you almost drove me into depression with that. How could you do this to your only child?
Son, take a look at both of you. If I didn't do what I did, you won't be here, happy together.
What you did was unfair, Mother. I knew it. I knew that my father would never be this harsh to his only child. Barrister Joshua, was he part of it?
I compelled him to be part of it.
You paid him, right? Okay, very well then. I will fire him tomorrow. Sorry, it's final. Yes. You both led me into depression. I will fire him tomorrow and you will see it.
Please don't do that.
My son, just look around you. Didn't it work out for you? Don't you like where you are right now? I know you went through hell, but it was for the best to see you both together.
I cannot believe we party to this, mother.
My dear, all we wanted as mothers was to see you happily living together as a married couple. That's
fine. Since this is what you two want, you want this marriage so bad, you might as well remain in it.
Daisy! Daisy, come back. Daisy! Have you seen it? Have you seen it? You just can't control your mouth. This is the problem I have with you.
I'm sorry.
You must let it out.
Angela, I'm sorry. This is not the time to start blaming people. We need to know how to sort these things out and make things work.
I'm blaming you for this one.
I'm sorry. It can't change what has happened. David, please can you help appeal to Daisy, please? Please.
What are you doing?
Sorry we were forced into this marriage. You have your father's wealth now. You don't need me anymore. So I'll just...
I need you more than anyone else. Yeah. I do not want you to leave. I went through all that to get you. In as much as I'm angry I was deceived. Every part of me wants you. I really love you, Daisy. I do. I do not want you to go. I want you here with me. I don't care how we got here. Every part of me wants you. Please don't leave. Okay.
Okay. Oh, what's going on?
Nothing.
Shala.
I really love you, dear C. I know we started off on the wrong foot. But the truth about love is that it's not without a fault. Please. I am here for you. Please marry me. This time for real. I promise to make you the happiest woman on earth. I promise to love you for real. I promise to be a better husband. I promise to take care of you. Please don't say no. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Of course.
It calls for celebration!